Hey y'all, my name's Dom. Welcome to Coffee and Cryptos. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I make my French press coffee. Before we get started, the crypto word of the day is Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Created in 2009 by an individual or a group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency. The French press is an introduction to specialty coffee. It is perfect for beginners because it is so easy to use and requires very little ingredients. In order to make French press coffee, you'll need a French press, you'll need water, coarsely ground coffee, and milk or sugar to taste. Okay, so here I have all my ingredients. The first step is you're going to want to bring your water to just before a boil, but don't quite boil it. If you boil the water and then put the grounds on top, it'll burn the grounds and it'll make very bitter tasting coffee. So we don't want to do that. So first step is I'm going to take the lid off the French press, and you can just set it right next to it. Open up the water, and you're going to pour the water into the French press. I'm making 4 cups of coffee. So what I do is I have 4 cups of water, and for every cup of water, I use 1 tablespoon of coffee. So here I have 4 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee in here. And what I'm going to do is I'll use a spoon to help me. And you're just going to put the water or put the grounds in the water. And once that's in there, you're going to give it a good stir. It doesn't have to be stirred up too much because you're going to end up pressing it down anyways. And in here, I like to put the lid just right on top so none of the heat escapes. And what you're going to want to do is set a timer for 3 minutes. And then at the end of your 3 minutes, you can come back and press. I always tell people between 3 to 4 minutes is the best amount of time for letting the coffee steep. Otherwise, it's either going to become too watery if it's less than that, or it's going to become too bitter if it's more than that. So we'll let it steep, and then we'll come back and press. Okay, so 3 minutes has passed, and I'm going to go ahead and press the coffee. So it's important that you don't press too fast or too slow. What you're going to do is hold at the top and then slowly start to press down the coffee. This is probably the longest part, other than the waiting the 3 minutes, is just waiting for it to press down. But all in all, French press coffee takes about 15 minutes to make. Good, it's all pressed down. You're going to want to make sure you pour right away. If you leave in the French press for too long, the coffee will burn and it'll taste really bitter. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the cup. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. So the last step is you're going to add your favorite creamer into your French press coffee and then go ahead and serve. So here I have my non-dairy almond milk and oat milk pumpkin spice creamer. It is fall time, so I've been using more of the pumpkin spice stuff. You just open it there and pour as much as you need. You pour a little bit more like that. And then you take your spoon and you go ahead and stir it up. Now it's time for the taste test. Oh, that's so good. I love French press coffee because it's more grainy and smooth than any other method of brewing coffee. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. See y'all next time.